bago ako matulog, mag-deliverance ako. I-memorize nyo lang yung page 81. In the name of Jesus of Nazareth, through His tremendous powers, God, and His most powerful and salvific name, I rebuke, repudiate, bind, and cast out all unclean spirit in my house, all unclean spirit in my room, all unclean spirit in my bed. I command you to depart from us, from me, from my room, and go immediately and directly to the foot of the cross of Jesus. I consecrate my senses, all my senses. I consecrate the senses. Pwede din yung mga anak ninyo, sila magsagawa ng deliverance sa kanilang kwarto. Okay? Bago kayo matulog, make a simple prayer of deliverance. Kita ninyo kanina, yung pangatlong ine-exercise ko, sabi niya, ang init! Parang sinusunog mo ako! Sabi ng demonyo. Dahil hindi naman siya possessed, siya po ay grieve oppression, partially influenced by the evil spirits. So yung mga demonyo, dahil yung lolo at both sides sa kanyang mga magulang, ay active albularios.